Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I will be showing you how to make a DIY toner using green tea leaves and some other skin loving ingredients. The toner is an important step after you wash your face with soap or any face wash. This will balance the pH of your skin. So if you want to know how to make this, please continue watching. To make this toner, the main ingredient would be the green tea leaves. I am using 1 tablespoon of these leaves. You can also use 1 tea bag if you don't have these leaves. Green tea contains anti-inflammatory properties. It fights premature aging, reduces redness and irritation, treats acne, and keeps your skin moisturized when you use these green tea leaves. The next ingredient would be some leftover stalks of pudina or the mint. If you don't want to use this, you can also use leaves. Because I don't want to waste it, I'm using it in the toner, which is as good as the leaves. So pudina helps to keep your skin moisturized. It tightens the pores. It is a good astringent and also helps to improve the complexion. The next few ingredients, which is optional, are the essential oil. If you're suffering from sensitive and any acne prone skin, then you can use these essential oils. It also improves the fragrance of the toner, so that is why I'm using. If you don't have all this, you can use one stick of cinnamon. The method to make this toner is that you need to take 2 cups of water in a clean bowl and add the ingredients like the green tea leaves, which is 1 tablespoon, and the stalks of the pudina if you are using, or the pudina leaves, and then allow it to boil for a few minutes. At least it takes 5 minutes for this toner to get ready. So here on the stove on a low flame, I am going to keep the bowl and allow the water to boil. Once it starts boiling, you need to put off and let it infuse the ingredients for at least 10 minutes. You have to close the lid and keep it for 10 minutes. After it cools, strain the toner or strain the decoction into this clean bowl using a strainer, and make sure that you don't drop any of the residue into the toner. So once this is cooled, it is time for you to add the essential oils, which is optional. If you don't use this, then you can also use cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Otherwise, this toner is boiling, here I'm adding 2 to 3 drops of essential oils. So I'm using tea tree because it will help to reduce any acne or any pimples on my skin, geranium for the fragrance, and basil for the extra benefit, which it acts as an astringent too. After mixing everything, you need to pour this into your spray bottle and keep this in the refrigerator and use it for more than a month. To use it, you need to spritz it on your face after you wash your face with soap or face wash. The pH of your skin will be maintained. The pH of the skin should be in correct maintenance, so that you can use the rest of the products which you apply, like moisturizer or any other skincare ingredients. So this is the use of the toner. If you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.